Do you want your family or friends to have their own login on your PC? I'll show you an easy way to add a new user account in Windows 11, whether on a PC or laptop. You can create multiple user accounts, and by the end of this video, you'll have a new user account set up step by step. To do this, first open Settings by pressing Windows key plus I on your keyboard. In the left menu, click Accounts. Then choose Other Users. Next, under Other Users, click Add Account. When Windows asks for an email or Microsoft account, click I don't have this person's sign-in information and then select Add a user without a Microsoft account. After that, create the account. Just type a username, for example, your brother's or friend's name, and add a password. Re-enter the password to confirm it. Then Windows will ask you to set up 3 security questions. Choose questions you'll remember and type your answers. These will help you reset the password if you ever forget it. When you are done, click Next. And that's it. The new account will now appear on the sign-in screen, ready to use. To switch between accounts quickly, click this Start menu icon, then click your profile picture. Next, click the 3 dots and you'll see the new user you created. Click that user and sign in. It's that simple. And that's it. You have added a new user account in Windows 11. If this video helped you, please give it a like, leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy Windows tips.